Hi guys, my name is Alexander Bautista Escudero. I am 21 years old. I am from Puerto Boyacá. I am live in Bogota. I am mechanical inspector at Bureau Veritas. My hobby is video games. And my favorite TV show is The Walking Dead. My favorite sport is football soccer. There are 4 people in my family. My father is a Asdrubal. He he is 55 years old. He is a mechanical. He is from Puerto Boyacá. He is a short, black and straight hair. He has a small hustle face. He is a medium, tall and fat. He is very strong. My mother is Anna. She is 15 years old. She is a baby sister. She is from Puerto Boyacá. She has long, black and curly hair. She has bright brown eyes. She is short and fat, and she is a beautiful woman. My brother is Julian. He is 29 years old. He is an electrician. He is from Bogota. He is tall and thin. He has short, black and straight hair. He has brown eyes. He is funny. My daughter is Maria. She is 10 years old. She is a student. She is from Bogota. She has long, brown, straight and beautiful hair. She is short and very thin. She has big brown eyes. She is sweet and kind. Thank you so much.